In the previous, that is in the 8th, you have learnt what is a linear equation in one variable. A linear equation in one variable. For example, 3x plus 4 is equal to minus 2. Can you guess how many solutions will this equation have? First of all, what is the variable in the equation? X. When you solve, how many solutions you will get? Plus 4, when it goes to the right side, it becomes minus 4. Minus 2. 3x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 by 3 equal to minus 2. Any linear equation in one unknown will have only one solution. But this year, you are going to learn linear equation in two variables. The chapter for you for this year is linear equation in two variables. Yes, a linear equation in one unknown will have only one solution. If an equation has one unknown, children, however you solve, you will get only one solution. But a linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many solutions mathematically and graphically. Remember, children, a linear equation in two variables, a linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many solutions, will have infinitely many solutions numerically and graphically. Numerically and graphically. Please keep the graph book with you, children. For this chapter, you require the graph book. A linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many solutions numerically and graphically. The standard linear equation in two variables, the standard linear equation in two variables is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. The standard linear equation in two variables is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. When I say the word real numbers, children, they can be rational or irrational. But a value and b value are never equal to 0. Example, 2x minus 4y is equal to 1. Your variables are x and y. X coefficient is 2. So a is equal to 2 minus 4y. Y coefficient is minus 4 and c is equal to 1. If you write it in the standard form, what does it become, children? Standard form is nothing but bringing your x term, y term and the constant to the left side and equating it to 0. Standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That means the x term, y term and the constant should all come to the left side and equate it to 0. So in this particular equation, 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. What is your a value? 2. B value minus 4 and C is equal to minus 1. A is x coefficient, B is minus 4 and C is minus 1. The standard linear equation in two variables is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. The word real means they can be rational or irrational. But a is never equal to 0 and b is never equal to 0. For example, 2x minus 4y is equal to 1. So when if you want to write the standard form, children, bring all the terms to left side. X term, y term and the constant equated to 0. Problems. Write the following equations. Write the following equations in standard form. Write the following equations in standard form and indicate the values of A, B and C. Indicate the values of A, B and C. First bit, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. 3x minus 4y equal to 7. You know what is the standard form, children? ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The standard equation. The equation is what now? Bringing all the terms to left side and equate it to 0. When 7 is positive, when it comes to left side, it becomes negative. So, A is equal to what? A stands for x coefficient, B stands for y coefficient and C is your constant number. Understood, girls? Bring 7 to left side, it becomes minus 7. A is x coefficient, B is y coefficient and C is the constant. 11x is equal to minus 9. 11x is equal to minus 9. When there is no term, children, that particular term coefficient will be 0. 11x, you have no y term. Do you have y term? No y term. So you can write it as 11x plus 0y minus 9. When it comes to right side, left side, it becomes plus 9 is equal to 0. A is equal to 11, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 9. Third one, 2x minus pi y is equal to minus 1. 2x minus pi y is equal to minus 1. So what is your equation, girls? 2x minus pi y plus 1 equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus pi, and C is equal to 1. Fourth one, 3x minus y by 7 is equal to minus 5. 3x minus y by 7 is equal to minus 5. What is that equation, girls? The equation is 3x minus y by 7 plus 5 equal to 0. So what is x coefficient? 3. Y coefficient minus 1 by 7, and C is equal to 5. Seven is equal to 9x. 7 is equal to 9x. What is that equation? No y term. So what do you write? All the terms should go to one side, children. Minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to 9. B is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 7. Yes. Textbook, exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Exercise 4.1. First sum, children. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent the statement. They have given you the hint also, girls. Take the notebook, cost as x, and that of the pen as y. So what is the cost of one?
Write the problem.
The cost of a notebook is rupees x. The cost of a notebook. A notebook means how many notebooks? One notebook. That the cost of one notebook is equal to rupees x. Let the cost of one pen is equal to how much? Rupees y. And what is the statement given, children? Cost of one notebook. The cost of one notebook is twice the cost of one pen. What is the cost of one notebook? X. Twice means what, children? 2 into the cost of one pen. So 2 into y. What is 2 into y? 2y. Yes, one notebook cost is rupees x, one pen cost is rupees y, and in the question you are given, children, the cost of one notebook is twice the cost of one pen. What is the meaning of the word twice? 2 into. What is the cost of one pen? Y. 2 into y, 2y. And you are asked to write the linear equation in two variables. All the terms should be brought to left side. We have no constant. So this is the linear equation in two variables. Yes. How many solutions does A linear equation in one variable have only one solution. But when it comes to a linear equation in two variables, children, it has infinitely many solutions. Solutions of a linear equation. Solution of a linear equation. Write 4 solutions. Write 4 solutions for the following equations. Write 4 solutions for the following equations. First question, 3x plus y is equal to minus 1. Now follow, children, this is the standard procedure. We always take y term on the left side and x. When it goes to the right, it becomes minus 3x. Every linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many solutions. So every one of you can give the values to x according to your choice, children. Your choice. The first bit, I am giving x is, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3x means what, children? 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is what? 0. Minus 0 is minus 1. Therefore, the first solution x comma y is equal to, second one, x is equal to 2. Y is equal to minus 3 into 2, minus into plus minus 3 into 2, 6, children. You know how to add negative numbers. Add and put negative sign. Therefore, the solution for x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 7. Third one is, I am taking a negative value, children. X is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 1. What is minus into minus? Plus. One term positive, one term negative. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. The solution is minus 1 comma 2. And the fourth one, children, x is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 3 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Therefore, x comma 5 is equal to, how many solutions are you asked? 4 solutions. The four solutions are 0 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 7, minus 1 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 5. I shall repeat, children. You are given a linear equation in two variables. What is the equation? 3x plus y equal to minus 1. In the beginning itself, we have learned that a linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many solutions. So all of you need not get the same answers, children. You can give your own values. Because you are giving your own values, the answers also will change. The standard pattern or the method that we follow is, we have y on the left side, the constant and the x term will go to the right side. What will be on the right side? The constant and the x term, 3x. So when it goes to the right, minus 3x. Your equation is now y is equal to minus 1 minus 3x. Give any 4 values for x, children, your choice, and get the solution for y. I have given 0. If x is equal to 0, 3 into 0 is what? 0. Minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. The first solution for the equation is 0 minus 1. Second, x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6. Both are negative. Add and put negative sign. So, x comma y is 2 comma minus 7. Third one, children, I have taken minus 1, minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 1, 2. The third solution for x and y is minus 1 comma 2. Fourth one, x is equal to minus 2, minus into minus plus, children, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, and x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 5. These are the four solutions of the equation. Second bit, pi x minus y is equal to 3. Pi x minus y is equal to 3. As usual, girls, y term to the left side, the constant and the x term to the right side. Plus pi x becomes minus pi x. When your y is negative, children, change the sign throughout. Y is negative, change the sign throughout. Therefore, minus y becomes plus y. 3 becomes minus 3. Minus pi x becomes plus pi x. Now give your values. I am giving x is equal to 0. Y is equal to, what is pi into 0, children? 0. Minus 3 plus 0. Minus 3. The first solution for you is 0 minus 3. Second one, x is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to pi into minus 1. Plus into minus. Minus pi into 1. Pi. Now see, children, 3 is a rational number. Pi is an irrational number. You cannot add. This only is the solution. So x comma y is equal to minus 1, minus 3, minus pi. And the third value, I am giving x is equal to 2. Y is equal to plus into minus. Minus pi into 2. 2 pi. Rational, irrational. We cannot add. So the third solution will be 2 comma minus 3 minus 2 pi. And the fourth one, x is equal to, your wish, girls, you can give any values for pi x. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to pi into 3 minus 3 plus 3 pi. X comma y is equal to minus 3 plus 3 pi. X comma y is 3 comma minus 3 plus 3 pi. These are the four solutions for x and y for the given linear equation. Pi x minus y equal to 3. Y turn to the left side, x turn to the right side. When pi x goes to the right side, what does it become? Minus pi x. If y is negative, children, change the sign throughout the equation. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and give any four values according to your choice. For me, x is equal to 0. Pi into 0, 0. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. So the first pair is 0 comma minus 3. Second, I have given minus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1, minus 3, minus pi. X is equal to 2. Plus into minus, minus, minus 3, minus 2 pi. This is rational and irrational. We cannot add or we cannot subtract. So this only will be the solution for y. Similarly, when x is equal to 3 children, pi into 3, 3 pi, minus 3 rational, 3 pi irrational, addition is not possible. So x comma y is equal to 3 minus 3 plus 3 pi. Remember, a linear equation in two variables has got infinitely many solutions. You can give any value for x children. When you give any value for x, automatically the values for y will change, and all of you need not get the same answers. Please note down the homework, children. Homework, and see that you are ready with the graph books for the next class, girls. You require a graph notes. Be with your graph books, children. Homework, exercise 4.1, full 4.2, exercise 4.2, 1 comma 2. All of you please work out these sums for homework, children. I think your class is clear and you would have followed today's class.